Let's learn how to use scissors. First, if your child is new to cutting, use scissors with an automatic opener. That way your student just has to push down. Once you get used to scissors, you can use normal ones to work on opening and closing. When holding scissors, remember, thumb up when cutting. Start off by cutting thicker materials like Play-Doh or Theraputty. This helps you gain more control over the scissors. You can also cut a straw. Draw lines so your child knows where to cut. Okay, it's all about snipping. Before we cut bigger pictures or lines, just learn how to do simple snips. Draw lines on paper or use stickers so your child knows where to cut. Now it's time to make fringe. Draw lines on paper and use a marker or stickers to make an endpoint. Have your child cut on the line until they hit the color. Stop. Snip, 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 stop. Now it's time to learn how to cut lines. Use stickers or markers to make a big, thick line and have your child cut all the way to the end. Then you can try a thinner line. Remember, when you're cutting, always hold the paper with the hand that's not holding the scissors. The thumb in front and your fingers behind. Great job learning how to cut.